This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today's pillow paint is Glidden Essentials in Eggshell, and our pouring medium is Vaspera Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick at a 3:1 ratio. My pillow paint is down, and our first color is Rich Auburn. This is a ColorArte paint. It's from their Prizm collection. So it's Prizm Pour collection. Our next color is Myan Gold, and this is a ColorArte part of their Prizm Pour collection. I'm going to put my cell activator on the back of my swiping tool, starting with Iridescent Gold. This is a Amsterdam product, and that's mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. And those ratios really are eyeballed. You have to look and see what the consistency is. But it gives you a good starting point. Making sure I got good coverage on the back of that tool. I'm going to add to the top of that is Lamp Black, and that's an Amsterdam product. I'm going to put that on top of that. Now, the way this works is when you turn it over and you swipe with it, whatever color goes on first on the back is the top layer. That's the one you're going to see on top. Okay, here we go. Doesn't look like much now, but this is going to be my background layer. Stretch this out just a little bit to get some coverage on the tile. Give it a small spin to see if I can get it to move over the edges, level out the paint. And I've got a lot of paint on this tile, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of work with it. I think I'll speed this up just a little bit and get to the next section. This takes some time. Ready to start doing the second color leg. So I have my 6x6 tile over on the side, and that's going to be my surface that I'm going to use for making my swipes. Putting down the pillow paint now. First color is Payne's Gray. This is ColorArte Payne's gray. It looks blue, very blue here. It's a beautiful color. It's a very dark blue. Next color is Teal, and this is a golden product. You can see the consistencies there. And I'm going to put down enough to get the color, but without overwhelming. Our next color is the golden iridescent gold cell activator, and this is Pearlescent White. This is a Sonja product, and it adds a real satin finish to it. So it's a nice change from the iridescence. Very nice pearlescent look to it. Okay, a little bit more of the iridescent gold. This is golden. Oh, excuse me, Amsterdam. And titanium white. It's an Amsterdam product, mixed 3-to-1 with Australian floetrol. Next cell activator is lamp black, and this is also an Amsterdam product, and a iridescent gold. And as you can see, it's just a circular swipe around, and you'll see that these cells start to pop almost immediately. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a scraping tool, and I'm going to scoop up the cells and the paint on the tile here, and add it to the painting below. You'll see it in just a second. One of the keys to this, you really have to take your time with gathering the paint. You don't want to distort, at least to the point you want to distort. And I think one of the reasons I'm really attracted to this style is that it gives you a lot of control on where the paint goes and how it looks. Control freak here. If you have any questions, I'd invite you to leave them down in the comments below. This is a technique that is a little bit more advanced, but is easily attainable by someone who's just starting out. I took the Sheleeart course about a year and a half ago, October before last, and it's because I was interested. I kept on seeing these artists using this style. I took the course. It was very enjoyable, and it's a process to learn, but the community is outstanding. So if you got any interest at all, please check out the description below. I do have a coupon to the course. It'll save you 15% on it. If you're at all interested in learning this technique, I invite you to check it out. Okay, I'm gonna quiet down for a while and let you watch the rest of the video, and I'll be back in just a bit. I think it's time for the flyover. You can see the depth with the two layers and the difference between not only the color but the style of layers. If you found this video today useful, if you could leave me a like, it'd be great. It helps with the algorithm. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of videos that I will put out in the future. My goal is to put out at least 2 per week, and I hope you've enjoyed today. Thanks for coming along for this journey. Bye now.